Hello, students. This is the second edition of us doing the video where I'll go through the PowerPoint and you guys will write the notes from the video into your digital notebook. So we've already posted that new slide into our notebook. So now it's time to start filling it in. Just as a reminder, you can pause this video and go back and listen to things as many times as you would like. So let's begin. We've been looking at several days now at the I can statement, which says that I can use a map's coordinates of latitude and longitude to identify locations of different places. So again, this is like our goal for this chapter. And we've been taking different steps on how we can accomplish this goal. We've been looking at the meaning of latitude, as well as some important lines of latitude. We've practiced finding absolute location of places using latitude. And now we're going to look at the meaning of longitude and the important line of longitude. So now is where we're going to begin writing our notes. So you can see along the left-hand side of the screen here, I wrote the word longitude in a long way to help you guys understand that these will be the lines that are long on our map or our globe. Lines of longitude are also called meridians. So the nickname that we would use for lines of longitude are what we call meridians. They're known as meridians because they touch at the North and the South Pole. So if you look at this diagram down below, you see all these lines are coming to the top of the Earth as well as the bottom. And if we look over here, we can see the red line here and all the other different lines of longitude are all coming together at the North Pole. And if we had a different angle, we'd see the same thing except for at the South Pole. So again, the reason they're known as meridians is because they touch at the North and the South Pole. These lines will run north and south on a globe. So we can see here with the red ones, the top is the north, the bottom is the south, and each line runs from the top to the bottom. With longitude, we only have one important line of longitude. So it's like saying the Ohio State, because there is no better team than the Ohio State. The most important line of longitude is the prime meridian, which you see over here. And just like the equator, the prime meridian's location is going to be 0 degrees. The next slide, which you guys don't have, is just another look at longitude. Again, up here we see that longitude, our lines of longitude begin at the prime meridian. So that important line of longitude. And any line to the left of the prime meridian is going to be a distance to the west of the prime meridian. And any line of longitude to the right would be a distance from the prime meridian to the east. So the prime meridian divides the world now into two different halves. Over here to the left, we have the western hemisphere, and over here to the right, we have the eastern hemisphere. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me, and I hope that this video helps you.